At BharatBenz, we believe in the power of promises and love living up to them, like we did with those made to you last year. Through launches that helped us find a special place in your heart. This year, as Daimler India commercial vehicles, our understanding of the Indian transport sector and mastery over state-of-the-art technology will usher in a better tomorrow for the Indian transport sector. A tomorrow that's safer, more comfortable, more economical, and, above all, more enjoyable. We unveil vehicles that is our road to tomorrow. And yours too. Get set for an exciting display of the newest, and needless to say, the very best of us, as we seek your company on our exciting journey on the road to tomorrow. Up first, we have the BharatBenz AXA 2523, epitomizing superior performance, reliability, and comes with a comfortable sleeper cabin. Expect enhanced productivity and profits too. Now we present to you the 31-ton, yet powerfully nimble tipper, the BharatBenz 3143CM, that boasts of unique features such as heavy-duty air filtration system, ideal for off-road usage, and inter-axle and inter-wheel differential locks, is sure to make light work of heavy loads common to Indian minds. Taking to the stage now is the formidable performer that's high on maneuverability, comfort, and economy, yet low on maintenance. The fuel-efficient and dependable workhorse, the BharatBenz 4928. Road transport is the lifeline of India. With lakhs of kilometers of roads and millions of Indians using it for a variety of purposes, we have for you a range of BharatBenz buses, tailor-made to suit the Indian passenger and travel operator. Every nation's tomorrow is only as strong as the generations it is shaping into its future citizens. Which is why we, at BharatBenz, have crafted the 90 school bus. Incorporating the latest safety features, this bus makes for easy fleet management and many a moment of fun for children. In a smart and safe environment at that. An economy that's as vibrant as India's is all set for its moment under the sun in the years to come. To help those that are committed to make this Indian dream come true, BharatBenz is the 90-staff bus. Comfortable, economical, and running the best of technology, this one truly means business. India is home to unique sights, sounds, and experiences, and to explore this land takes a lifetime, surely, as recounted by many seasoned travelers. Be that as it may, we feel the time apart, exploring a country that scenic Rublu travelers delight, needn't be difficult. Please, welcome on stage, the 90 tourist bus. Sure to make a traveler's life easy, it's also high on economy, making the operator's life easy too. And now, we have for you, the best of us, so far. A bus that's not just the star of this show, but of your business as well. The much-awaited, carefully crafted, and solidly built Mercedes-Benz Intercity bus. Take a good look at this gorgeous bus that will help you leave your competition way behind. A promise of safe and peaceful travel, and a promise to bring to India vehicles that are right for India. With our promises, we at DICV are committed to put the Indian transport sector on the road to tomorrow.